everyone. I'm Meenakshi Upadhyay Sharma, and today I'm going to be talking about the preparation strategy for VARC for CAT, rather verbal ability and reading comprehension for CAT. Now first and the foremost is that the CAT is not a university kind of an exam for which you can just prepare in one go or for 2 months, etc. You have to be preparing for a long period of time, and every day you have to keep improving yourself. So once you start your preparation, it has to keep going on for at least 3 to 6 months to up to a year or maybe year and a half, depending on your present level and present position of the English language ability. So how to prepare, that is the question, and many people start following the route that they just start solving questions. Now in English, if you don't know the words, if you don't know how to read and understand, then just solving the questions will not improve you. So many people come to me and tell me, ma'am, my comprehension is not very good. But then if you have not been doing your reading, you really cannot improve your comprehension. Similarly about vocabulary, questions like fill in the blanks, synonyms, antonyms, etc. can only be improved if you have a good command over vocabulary. So first of all, first and foremost, you have to start off with your vocabulary and reading. So try to do 10-15 words a day. You can use my book or any other place from where you are getting your vocabulary. Also, you will get your vocabulary from a daily reading. Start making your notes, noting down your words, and 10 to 15 words daily, 5-10 words for the morning, 5-7 words for the evening. Just try to keep revising them. Now word revision you can do through root words, through synonyms, antonyms, etc., and also through the word list. So if you have my book VARC for CAT, the 9th edition is the latest one. So then for that book, from that book you can start with the high frequency words, and then move on to the medium and the low frequency words, the root words, etc. So that will really give you a good head start in your preparation process. Now once you are done with your, once you have done 15-20 days with your vocabulary, then from the same book you can start solving like the word level questions like synonyms, antonyms, fill in the blanks, analogy, root words, questions, etc. And together with it you are also starting your reading now from where to read and what to read. So try to read from newspaper editorials like the foreign newspapers like the Los Angeles Times, New York Times, The Guardian, The Economist magazine, Harvard Business Review, Aeon, Spectator. These are some of the places from where you can read. Even the Hindu Reader's Digest for beginners, and just read short paragraphs. Try to find the main idea. What is the focus of the paragraph? What is the main idea? What is the style and tone? So keep doing this for at least 2 to 3 months and try to do at least 4-5 readings daily minimum, and up to 7 readings, depends on you. Some people ask me about novels. Yes, you can do novels also, but only one thing will not work. You have to mix and match, and from different areas like philosophy, psychology, science, economics, historical perspective, then civilizations, politics, sociology, literature, poetry, etc. So a lot of work will go on in your reading, and once you're comfortable with your reading, you know how to find the main idea, then you start solving your comprehension. Together with your reading, then once you've done 15-20 days of your reading, you can start with the reading skills chapter of my book, and then the theory of reading comprehension. If you are there with us on MindWorks, obviously we'll help you with your solving, and we'll give you the theoretical part of it. If you're doing it on your own, then you can just read the theory part from the book and start your solving from the reading skills, and together with it then you can start the paragraph level solving like the parajumbles and all. Try to start linking the sentences, etc. So your plan of action should be first 15-20 days no solving, do your vocabulary, do your reading. After 10-15 days start your solving with your vocabulary level questions. Then move on, after 15-20 days you also start your reading skills and your comprehension solving, and together with it you start your parajumbles and paragraph level questions. So important questions for CAT are summary based questions, parajumbles, irrelevant statement, critical reasoning, and paragraph completion, and those are the chapters you have to focus on. Little bit of basic grammar, vocabulary, phrasal verbs also has to go hand in hand, because for other management exams you need basic grammar. So for that also you can just do the chapters, the phrasal verb chapters from my book, and do basic grammar from any place. Again, if you are with us, we will be providing you the videos and material. Otherwise you can do it from the standard book like Wren and Martin, etc. But you can do sentence correction, solving chapter, and the common errors from my book. So this is for starters, and this is a 3-month plan that you have to have. So also while you are solving, 3 days for solving VA and 3 days for solving RC, 2 to 3 RCs per day. That should be your target. 15 RCs per week should be your target, and verbal questions, at least 10 questions daily from the chapters. So you can mix and match it within 3 days of solving. And that's how, and your reading and vocabulary will continue for at least 3 to 6 months. That is something which is non-negotiable, and you should definitely be focusing on it. So that was in short your verbal preparation, and after that obviously you start solving your mock test, you start giving your past papers, and those are also very, very important strategies. So this is the basic starting strategy and the middle level strategy, and I'll keep coming as and when the time is right for the advanced strategies also. So thank you very much. I hope the video was useful for you, and this is Meenakshi Upadhyay saying goodbye. Take care.